Alright guys, so welcome back sa panibagong vlog. Papakarga muna tayo. Naubos na yung kinarga natin kahapon. Isipin mo ilang liters din yung lagayan ko, 'di ba? So ubos na. So papa-full tank sagad tayo dito ng Blaze. Tapos yung gas ko pala kahapon guys is ano yun, nabili ko lang siya sa Shell ko siya nabili yung racing nila kasi walang Petron doon sa may kawayan na may Blaze. So after nito magpa-karga, magpa-change oil na rin tayo doon. So kailangan natin tong ma-change oil. Bago to matambay, bagong change oil to. Kaso nga ang problema nito is yung injector number 1 is nagbabaha siya. Bumabaha talaga yung gasolina doon. Panigurado na nahaluan na yung langis natin dito ng gasolina. Kasi nung bumabaha yung injector number 1 dyan, hanggang doon sa may likod, sa may tambotso natin, nagbabasa. So dito sa langis natin is nahaluan na siya ng gasolina. So hindi maganda yun pag hindi natin papalitan yung langis natin. So kailangan laging maganda yung langis natin dito since turbo tong sasakyan na to. Hindi pwede yung titipirin natin kasi pag once na nasira, medyo malaking gastos din talaga. Yun, kailangan nating alagaan. So papakarga muna tayo dito and then pa-change oil tayo dun sa service area nila. Right? Guys, naka 2,888 tayo. So dalhin na natin dun sa service area nila. Papakarga, pa-change oil na natin. Kaya ba ng mababa?
To be your friend, I wanna know if it mattered. I would have gone to war for you. I would have bent the earth in two just to get to our ever after. Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go. No, I don't want this to end. Whoa. Remember the start when you breaking my heart again, like blood on a pen. Would it matter then when everything starts to fade? I'm back like it's yesterday. Would it all consent? Would it matter then? Would it matter then? I did it all, I bore the weight on my shoulders like it was fate. Don't tell me it was for nothing. You told me love wasn't true 'cause it didn't feel real to a cynic like you. But I'm pretty sure we walked into something. Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go. No, I don't want this to end. Remember the start.
Hindi yan maubos mo, diba? Pang refill ko na lang kasi may market pa sa turbo eh.
When everything starts to fade, back like it's yesterday. I want it all consent. Would it matter then? Would it matter then?
So ayun guys, tapos na tayo tapos na tayo magpa-change oil. So yan, nag-iba yung reading ng AFR natin kasi pinalinisan ko yung yung AFR natin sa baba. So yun, kailan adjust na naman tayo ng tune. Naging ano siya, naging lean siya ng konti. So adjust natin yan mamaya. So ang next gagawin natin, papakarwas naman tayo. Okay, car wash, engine wash, yun yung dapat natin gawin ngayon kasi yung dugyot, sobrang dugyot.
But you think you're doing it wrong. Ooh. High pressure underground. Ooh. Your body's on time, made it. Your body's on time, made it. Pretty pictures from the upward bound. When the thunder hits, it doesn't make a sound. World's in a hurry just to be let down. Wearing your worry like a wedding gown. Your body's on time, made it, made it. Your body's on time.
Then guys, kailangan natin ipa-engine wash to kasi grabe na yung mga daga. Sobrang dumi.
Take a minute, catch your breath. Take a minute, pass your test. Take it easy, take a step.
So ayun guys, napalinis ko na, napa-engine wash ko na, napa-change oil ko na. So next nito, baka ibabuffing ko yung body nito kasi maraming mancha. So kahit naka-car cover siya dun sa Bulacan, meron pa rin siyang ano, may mga tumatagos pa rin na mga mancha-mancha. Okay, so yan yung AFR natin ngayon guys, 11-12. So goods lang yan. So tsaka na natin to ipa-tune talaga pag napa-install na natin lahat yung mga pyesa para solid at isahang tune lang, di ba? So, and guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.